Alright, I'm recording now. Hey guys, this is Roto, and today I'm about to give you guys a long-term update about my carbon fiber roof from RKP. So I'm using my M50 right now and the Weebil-S gimbal. So let me know, and hopefully it is better than the last video that I did, because I was just using an iPhone. My iPhone 7 Plus. So, alright, first things first. Let's give an overview of the roof. So here it is, up close. Alright, still looking good, you know. And there's really no blemishes whatsoever. And let's see. Hasn't really done anything. I mean, like, all I did was just like wrap it in XPEL. You can see the plastic here, right? And you can also see the XPEL Ultimate here. And so the guardrails are painted, right, gloss black. And if I open this up, and then let's see if you guys can see it. I'm gonna move my camera, and you'll see here, oops, that it is carbon fiber all the way. Right. So it has held up pretty good, and my camera is now angled, so I gotta straighten it up. Alright, there you go. That's what it looks like. I think I'm gonna have to cut the video because it is not straight. But yeah, see, from this far right here, right? I couldn't do this with my iPhone earlier, but it looks great. And let's see if I can adjust the polarizer so it doesn't reflect too much. There you go. There. So this is a 2x2 weave, and you know, held up really great. I know someone was asking me about it in one of my videos. Actually, it was in the RKP video one. And asking me how it's been holding up for what, almost like a year now. It's right there. Alright. Now let's see if we can make it straight. I think I'm gonna have to double tap. There you go. Car's looking great. You know, I'm gonna lower this down so we can go over it. Have a much better handle of it, plus I have a larger gimbal now, so hopefully this is like showing you the detail. Well, I can see it going out of focus. Maybe I should have like take a longer time doing it. Yeah, I can see it bouncing on and off. If this doesn't, you know, look great, I'm gonna have to just redo the video. But so far, you know, it's all about the carbon fiber, and still looks awesome. Alright, you can see here how cool looking it is. I mean, on top of like the weight savings, but so far so good. Alright, I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like from the back. There we go. I should have used my drone, but my drone is out of service right now because I broke it. There you go. Still perfect. Nothing is wrong with it. XPEL is still holding up pretty great. And the weave is just, you know, it's perfect. Let's see. I'm gonna move this slowly. You guys see what the close-ups. I'm gonna be mad if I drop my gimbal on my M2. This is gonna be an expensive repair. Alright, and let me zoom out on the car. And what it looks like. I can see it like trying to focus on something, but you know, that's what it looks like. Alright, that's the update, guys. Let's see, gonna zoom out. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna edit this video now, see how it goes. If not, I'm gonna go back to using the GoPro for things like this. I don't even know how to turn it off. Where's the off button? I think it's this one.